This kid animation got over 3 million views, this one 4 million, and this one over 8 million. This channel has been consistently pulling insane numbers, and just last month they made over $5,000 by uploading simple kids chicken animation stories. And today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to replicate this using free AI tools. But first, let me tell you why these videos get so many views. It all comes down to one thing: retention. Kids don't just watch these videos, they rewatch them over and over without skipping a single second. The animations are catchy and the stories are so simple that even a 3-year-old can follow them. That's why these videos get really high retention. And when YouTube sees that people are watching the entire video, it says, "Let's push this to more people," which is exactly what the algorithm wants. Now that you know why these shorts are going viral, let's start making them. Okay, first, we need a short story along with image prompts. And for that, we're gonna use ChatGPT. But don't worry, this isn't going to waste your time. We're gonna breeze through this part quickly. Just copy the link of one of their viral videos, then paste that link into ChatGPT and simply ask, "Give me a similar short story," not the exact same, and an image prompt for each scene. Once we have our prompt ready, next we'll turn this prompts into images. Just open your browser and search for Picluman AI. It's one of my favorite free text-to-image tools, super easy to use. And the best part is you get enough credits every day, so you don't need to pay for any subscription. Okay, once you're on the site, just click here and select the 9:16 ratio since we're making shorts. Then set the result count to 2 images right here. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the first scene, paste it into the prompt box, and finally click send. Drum roll please. Both results look awesome, but I like this one more because it matches my prompt better. Now just click here to download it. That's it, super simple. Now just repeat the same process for the rest of the scenes. Once you've got all your images ready, it's time to turn them into a full video. For that, we're using Hailuo AI. It gives you 500 free credits when you sign up, and 100 more every day after that. Want more? Just sign up with a different email. Easy. But before doing anything in Hailuo, we're heading back to ChatGPT. Ask it to give you a short, direct image to video prompt for each of your images. Nothing fancy, just clear instructions for animation. Now head back to Hailuo AI, click on video, and drop your first image in here. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first animation prompt, paste it into the prompt box right here, and finally click generate. Drum roll please. Okay, the video is ready. Let's watch it. Awesome, it understood the prompt and executed it perfectly. Now just download it from here, and then repeat the same process for all your other scenes. Now once we got all our videos, we'll do the final edit on CapCut. But before that, get your sound effects ready. You can use Pixabay for this. I need a chicken sound, some laughing, and a few other sounds. Once you got all your sounds, head to CapCut, import all your clips and sounds effects. Now drop all your clips to the timeline. Make sure you follow the story order. Then set the ratio to 9:16. Then slightly zoom in every clip to hide the logo. Then slightly speed up every clip so it look even more smooth. Now I'm gonna add few text timeline of his progress in gym. You can use this to guide the viewer through the story. Now lastly, add your sound effects. Match them to the right moments in your video, and take your time here. Don't rush. Once everything feels right, hit export, and here's the final result.
You don't know me, son!
And that's how you create a viral kids animation video using nothing but AI. If you want me to build a full channel from scratch and share the results, drop a do it in the comments. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning. I'll see you in the next one.